What is the process for applying for a Walmart Mastercard?
Hello there. Today, we'll be taking a look at how to apply for a Walmart Mastercard. This is a great option if you frequently shop at Walmart, as you can earn rewards for your purchases. So, let's dive right into the process.
Are you eligible?
Before we start, you need to make sure you are eligible to apply for a Walmart Mastercard. Generally, you need to 1. Be at least 18 years old, or the age of majority in your state or province. 2. Have a valid social security number. 3. Have a U.S. mailing address that is not a P.O. box. 4. Have a credit score in fair condition, usually a score of 620 or higher.
Gather your information.
Next, gather the necessary information. This includes 1. Personal information. Full name, date of birth, social security number. 2. Contact information. Residential address, email address, phone number. 3. Financial information. Employment status, total annual income, monthly housing payment.
How to apply online?
Walmart provides an easy online process for applying for their Mastercard. Here are the steps. 1. Visit the Walmart Mastercard webpage. Simply search for Walmart Mastercard in your preferred search engine, and it should be among the top results. 2. Click Apply Now. This button should be prominently displayed on the webpage. 3. Create a Walmart.com account or sign in. If you already have an account, sign in. If not, you will need to create one. 4. Fill in your information. Use the information you gathered in Section 2. 5. Submit your application. Once you have filled out all the required fields, submit your application.
What happens next?
After you've submitted your application, you will usually receive an email with a decision within a few minutes to a few days. If approved, you'll receive your Walmart Mastercard in the mail, typically within 10 business days. And that's it. That's how you apply for a Walmart Mastercard. Remember, while it's great to earn rewards for your purchases, it's important to use credit responsibly. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll discuss how to manage your Walmart Mastercard account efficiently. Happy shopping!